Today in this video, we're going to make our own canvas, and that too with zero investment. At home, I found this cloth packing box. It's quite hard, and that's exactly what we need because the fabric won't loosen on it. So first we cut it into the desired size using a cutter and keep the extra pieces aside. Next, here is the canvas fabric, which is easily available in the market. We measure it according to the board and cut it with scissors. Now, we take PVA glue. You can also use wood glue and mix a little water to thin it. Apply the glue evenly on the board, then carefully place the canvas fabric on top. Stretch it from all sides so that no wrinkles remain. Leave it for some time so the glue can fully absorb and dry. Now comes gesso. Take some gesso in a bowl and mix a little water. Using a flat brush, apply one coat over the surface. You can use a dryer to speed up the drying process or simply leave it in the sun for a while. And that's it. Your canvas is ready. Now you can paint on it using acrylic or oil paints. Both will work perfectly. Here is the beautiful painting we created on this canvas. Let me know in the comments how you liked this video. For more informative content and painting techniques, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.